We're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Badger 1 1/3 horsepower garbage disposal. All the existing piping we left in place because it's all tubular, so it's a newer home. You can see the Schedule 40 PVC back there, the adapter, tubular P-trap, tubular extension, and then of course the tubular, it's not an oscillating kit, but it's a garbage disposal kit which brings the waste over to the tailpiece, and of course tailpiece. So this is, none of this is ours. Basket screener, tailpiece, T, extension, trap, adapter, arm. We did take it out and clean it and tighten it all back down. So I'd monitor this for any kind of dripping, especially at that nut and this nut. Tends to be where you'd find dripping first. But this stuff's pretty good, so it doesn't leak at all. We got it tied back in with the brand new rubber bushing in there under the brand new flange. Got that replaced. New hose clamp, and then we did replace the 7/8 discharge hose. It's about a 2-foot piece going up to the air gap with a brand new same stainless steel hose clamp up there. And then the dishwasher hose is existing. You can see how wide it is right there. And then something's in the line from here all the way up. It's just around the recessed corrugated portions. It's not actually blocking the tube. If you have trouble with that, SNL, Saturday Night Live, it's not Saturday Night Live, but SNL Appliance Repair, come out and take care of that for you, replace it. Anyway, so it's run up there with the existing hose clamp in place. The 7/8 discharge hose, we put our own hose clamp on there. And then of course, brand new air gap. Now those you can clean. You can take them out, clean them. They're $7, so we just replace them. No big deal, no extra charge. Same thing with the discharge hose, $5 at Home Depot. We just replace them. We don't charge the customer for those. We just like to see as much new plumbing in there as possible before we go. That way we don't have to come out for one little service call and then $150, $200 later, and they're not happy with that. So, brand new disposal. It's plugged in, and it has been tested. So you can hear that's how it's supposed to sound. That's how it's supposed to work. There's your new key. There's your new stopper. Outside of that, this installation is done.